Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are exploring one of the most advanced and complete study platform available right now, Solvi.ai. If you have ever wished for a single tool that could solve your thoughts question, help you study smarter and prepare for your exam faster than ever, then Solvi.ai might becomes your new favorite learning. Solvi is not just another AI assistant, it's a full academy solution powered by ChatGPT 5 designed to guide students through all subjects and all levels, from STEAM equations to social science theories, from basic concept to advanced university level problem solve. We can explain everything in a simple step by step way that makes even the hardest topics easy to understand. What makes Solvi truly stand out? It works across major education platforms like Canvas, Blackboard, Moodle, D2L. No matter where you are learning, Solvi is right there with you. Trusted by students from around the world to get exam ready up to 10x faster. And in this video, we are also going to compare ChatGPT with Solvi to see what actually makes Solvi better for students' daily learning and test prepare. So if you are looking a smarter, faster and more reliable way to study, you are definitely in this right place. Let's get started. So guys, today's the website we will be using today is called Solvi.ai. You will find the link in the description box of the video and you can simply click it to open the platform. Once you open Solvi.ai and complete the login or sign up process, you will see a clean, modern and highly professional interface. Honestly, the layout is very unique, well organized and extremely user friendly. When you look at the main dashboard, the first thing you will note is the tagline. Solvi, your personal study campaign, which perfectly describes what this platform is designed for. Now if we look at the left sidebar, you will see three powerful features. AI Solver, have you can enter any question, equation, assignment problem or concept and Solvi will give you a clear step-by-step solution. Next, AI Study. These features allows you to generate detailed explanations, summarize notes and concept breakdowns, all focused on helping you study smarter. Third, AI Live Notes. This is especially helpful for students who want fast note taking. You can convert videos, lectures or reading into clean, structured notes instantly. Overall, Solvi interface is increasingly intuitive and easy to use. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, so here you can also get answers simply by typing your question in the text box. Let me show you how this works. All you need to do is click on the text area and type the question you want to solve. I will go ahead and type a small simple question here. After adding your question, Solvi also gives you the option to choose a model. You get multiple choice like fast, multiple mode, ChatGPT 5 Pro, Gemini Pro and several other advanced models. For example, I am going to select multiple mode pro. Once you are selected your model, just click on the generate button. Solvi.ai will analyze your question, review it and then generate a complete answer along with a clear explanation. After a few seconds of processing, you can see that Solvi AI has provided a final answer. Not only that, it also shows you a fully step-by-step breakdown of how the question was solved, making it increasingly helpful for learning. This makes Solvi one of the best platforms for students, whether you are doing schoolwork, completely homework, or preparing for a test. I highly recommend giving it a try. The link is available in the description box below of this video. So guys, now let me show you how to solve a question using an image. If you do not want to type your question manually, for example, if the question is printed in your textbook, you can simply take a clear photo of that page and upload it directly into Solvi.ai. Here's how it works. Just click on the image button and upload a picture of your question. So you can see the process. After uploading the image, you can also tell Solvay exactly how you want to question to be solved. For this example, I will simply type solve this question. Once everything is ready, click the generate button. Solvay.ai will start analyze your image and extract the question. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet or just wait for it process. After a short moment, you can see that Solvay.ai has solved this question for the image and even provide extra explanation. If there is anything you do not understand, you can scroll down and ask for more details. I will type a follow-up question here, and as you can see, Solvay gives a deeper, more detailed explanation. This feature is extremely helpful for learning, practice and preparing for exam. You can use it to understand any problem step by step and study more effectively. So guys, now I am going to show you how a really cool feature of Solvay.ai. You can actually add Solvay.ai as a Chrome extension, which makes study even faster and more convincing. To install it, simply click on the install extension button. After that, you will see the option add to Chrome. Just click on it and the extension will automatically be added to your browser. You can also pin it to the top bar for the quick access. So that's how you install the extension. Now let me show you how to use it. If you do not want to type any question manually or you do not want to open the Solvay website again and again, you can just open any page that contains question and then click on the Solvay extension. Once you click, it will show you three options. 1. Solve this page. 2. Summarize this page. 3. Generate quiz from this page. First, let me show you solve this page. Just click it and Solvay.ai will automatically read the question from the page and start generating solution. As you can see, it has solved the entire page and provide it all answer. Now let's try the summarize this page. This option, simply click on it from the extension and Solvay.ai will instantly start summarizing the content. It gives you definition, explanation, equations, basically everything you need to understand this topic quickly. And if there is anything you still do not understanding, you can type your question at the bottom of the extension. For example, I will type, give me more explanation about the definition. And here as you can see, Solvay provides additional details right away. So this is how you can use the Solvay.ai Chrome extension to make your homework, assignment and presentation much easier, faster to complete. So guys, as you have seen, Solvay.ai is truly all-in-one study campaign. Whether you want to solve questions, understand concepts, summarize long pages, generate quiz to take instant notes, Solvay makes everything faster, clear and super easy to use. It's honestly one of the most powerful study tools available right now, and it can seriously boost your learning speed, exam preparation and overall productivity. The link to Solvay.ai is available in the description box of the video. I highly recommend it that you try it yourself. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more useful reviews and tutorials. Don't forget to try Solvay using that link in the description of the video. It's definitely worth exploring. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.